it's Jo here from Time for Tea Designs. Today we are continuing our countdown to the Time for Tea Designs new release for May. Over the next few days I will be sharing with you all of the new products from the May release. All of the products in today's video will be available at Time for Tea Designs and Simon Says Stamp from the 13th of May at 9 AM British Summer Time. First on our reveal list today is the Home is Where the Heart Is stamp set. So this stamp set is an adorable scene builder set. So we have everything that you need to build I guess a sitting room or a living room. So we've got the sofa there, we've got a window with the plant, we've got this adorable retro TV, a rug, a side table, a lamp, a plant, the cute little cat, retro phone, and then some really great sentiments to team with it. A really great set for you to be able to build your scenes. Also, you can team this up with any of your other Time for Tea Designs characters to make a really, really cute little home sweet home scene. To go along with this set, we have the new home die. This is a really great chunky bold font that we've chosen here, and the O has been replaced by this sweet little heart so that you can use that maybe with some panned papers and just really create a really fun sentiment for anyone who is building a new home. Our next set for this release is a set of gorgeous kitties. So this is the Kitty Capers stamp set, and this stamp set has 3 adorable kitties that are all up to no good. So we have our little crouching kitty, we have our little kitty here with his paw raised, and then we have our little fluffy kitty looking like he's done nothing wrong. But we know different, because we also have the results of their capers. We have a spilled bottle of milk here, we've got some dirty paw prints, we've got a cactus, some yarn, and a little mouse toy there. The sentiments in this set are adorable. Busy procrastinating, hit the pause button, I'm sorry, for real, it's meow or never, mew or pawsome, life without you would be a catastrophe, it's your pair day, and happy pair day. And then we also have the little oops as well. A really adorable set. A great die to pair with this set is the stitched window cover die. This is another A6 size cover die, so it's perfect for all of your European size card bases, and it cuts out these little apertures of the square, almost like a window, and then also a larger rectangular aperture at the bottom. There is stitching all the way around, and these apertures are a great place for you to add your Time for Tea critters or even add a sentiment. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please join me again tomorrow for more exciting countdown reveals.